Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Jan Sina. There are three things if you wish to speak in English, you must be keeping in your mind. Number one, subject plus verb plus object. This is the basic structure to make a sentence. Number two, WH words. What, who, why, where, when, which, whose, whom and how. These words will help you to ask questions to someone. Number three, helping verb or auxiliary verb. We know that auxiliary verbs are two types. One is primary auxiliary and other is modal auxiliaries. Primary auxiliaries are do, did, does, am, is, are, was, were, has, have and had. And other is modal auxiliaries are shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, must, ought, need and dare. These words also will help you to ask a question to someone. If you make a question with the help of these words, your answer is yes or no. These three things, if you will keep in your mind, you may speak in English. So now, know the first things, subject plus verb plus object. We know that noun and pronoun is used as subject and object as well. What is noun? A noun is a word used as the name of a person, place and things. And pronoun. A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. So stay with me and know more about these three things. Thank you.